Before starting this video, I want to thank you all for giving me 100 subscribers. Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing the YJ UFO 7x7. So let's get right into it. So, let's see what we've got here. So that's a cube stand, that's nice. And we have the cube and something else. Oh, that's a business card. Okay, so here we have the cube. And that's the bill. That box looks good. The shades are really good. So let's open the box. And we have the cube wrapped in plastic. I just want to open it. And also there is I don't need that. So now I have unboxed the cube. So the first thing I noticed is that the shades are a little bit glossy from the outside. So you can see it is shining, and the logo of the company looks like a barcode. And these holes are really huge. The size of the cube is not that big, and the outer layers magnets are weaker than the inner layers magnet. This makes slice moves a bit hard to do, but overall I can turn fast on this cube, which is really great for big cubes. When I cannot hold the cube this much, then I can just hold this and do this, and these layers are not moving, so that's great. And when I am doing this with this layer, then also that's not moving, so that's great. So but overall it's a really good cube for a good price. The link to buy this cube is in the description. And thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.